We're playing Dungeon Dogs. Yay! 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 Give me your money! Yay! I'm so happy I made a YouTube channel. Being sus on everyone would be so realistic in Among Us. So you have to keep on Chaos Lumpy. But I got the rarest pets I want. This is rare, I like it. And I have this rare pet that I leveled it up and named it Opal from Mermaid Memories. Yay! I watch Alice OPS. And this is rare, like totally. Oh, and this is rare. Kind of rare. Ooh, this looks rare. But it's not. But this is more rare. We got some wings. And this doesn't look rare, but this looks rare. It is the rarest pet I got. I got it from a daily bonus. I'm sorry you cannot have one, but it's okay. But this is rare. And this is rare. I knew. Oh, this is not rare, but it's so cute. I name it after me. Sparkle! Pizza! 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 First, he was sad for no pizza. Now she's happy. And you know this. This is my favorite pet. Yeah, you know, 'cause it's a hot dog. First it was this, now it was a chef, now it became a hot dog. This is one of my favorite pets. And yeah, this looks rare. But she became a butterfly, so she's rare too. So yeah, I know she's so cute. Okay, so I named this Haha, 'cause no one likes named Haha. But it's okay when it's named Haha. Yeah, I have TikTok though. You could check me on TikTok. So I want something. So I'm gonna use magic. One pet. Want a lot of. So I'm gonna use Opal. Oh, I forgot. I have to use star. So and pizza and rock. So yeah, I like this because it's cool. And they updated the health bar. Now it's short, and it's so funny. And oh my gosh, go to shop. I'm cute. Wait. This is me, the galaxy dog. You know this why I used my picture into Happy? Because it looks so fluffy. But mine looks cool because she got cool outfits and she got cool skin. First, I didn't know how to let her ears stand up. It was like this. But now it's like this. Wait, rainbow? No, I like the pink eyes. And I just collected. I want to collect one. And I collected the wings. You might be jealous why I collect one of these, because I'm cool. But I want this rainbow one. It looks so cute. So yeah, and I got this galaxy skin. I first got this cool skin. Now I got from this galaxy skin, which is so cool. See, you might be jealous, but not be jealous. But I want to get the fox so I can name it into Finnegan or Dixie. I want to save a fox. I want to save a fox. Free. This is not free. I do not have any money. Huh. So I want some money. It's from a daily, but it's oops! Ah! I got it. Now the owl's gone. It looks creepy. So yeah. Oh, that's cool! So yeah, I know I didn't have one, but this won't work. Oh, no, not money. I'm not wasting my money. No, I'm not wasting my money. Yes. Oh yeah, they're done. Okay. I forgot. Okay. That's cool. So yeah, you have no idea and angry why I got the rare pets more than yours, because I got some coolest one. Bark Town. Oh, this looks like the Bark Town. It's a helper. So yeah, they have what this is fake Among Us. What this is fake Among Us. This is fake Among Us. Ah! Why I'm watching Among Us ad, which is a fan ad Among Us, which is so weird. Why these have mini games? Those Among Us don't have mini games, but that's okay. I'm never playing Among Us again. Hi, doggy. So yeah, I'm gonna go for Dark Forest now. I'm gonna use my friend Kate. Using Emily. Oh gosh. Okay, I'll go from Mermaid Memories. And my favorite pet, Star. Woo! The squad. Yes, I got some cooler pets. Oh my god. You know this? You look, I'm a rare pet. I look like a rare pet, but you cannot got one. So you cannot get this. You cannot get my character because it's kind of wet. Okay, so why I'm filming this at night? So yeah, because I know it's Christmas. That's weird. And you notice they have some stories. Okay, all of them have some stories, which is Trixie, which is banging me away, ghost. Why is the ghost? Oh god, she's one of the rarest pets. And I got some more rarest pets. You could get a cat. You could get a cat. I didn't know. Dungeon Dogs, they have a cat. They have a cat. They do not have a cat, but the cat is rare. Oh my gosh, the cat from Castle Cats. I didn't know, but bye. Bye.